What's up, boys? CB here, back again with another trade and analysis. Today, we showed how disciplined we are. We sat on our hands for 3 days, didn't take a single trade. I know I've been slacking on the YouTube videos. I am trying to make like vlogs and stuff, but I really don't even know what to vlog. I really don't know how to vlog, to be honest. But I definitely am gonna try. But like for the days that I'm not taking a trade, you guys can have content because mostly I only post my trade and analysis, whether I win, lose, break even. And if I don't take a trade, then I don't have content to post. So I'm definitely gonna try to start, you know, being more versatile with my channel. But today we had a nice day on XAU USD. We sat for 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because we had no trades because of the way market was performing. I didn't really like price action. And that just shows how disciplined we are. We sat on our hands for 3 days, came back on the fourth day and caught a nice trade. I had to close this trade a little early because I have things to do today. And I really didn't feel like sitting here monitoring it. So I just ended up closing it. We made a total of 1.7K today. Hopefully the people in the group are still holding this trade. Hopefully it continues to go down lower to give them more profit for the day. But today was a great day. Let's just get into the trade and analysis. So coming in, let's go. We're always on the 15-minute chart. We're on the 15-minute chart. It wasn't much confluences today at all. I'm not gonna lie to you, it wasn't much. But we're on the 15-minute charts. Guys may know. I always got my my London highs, my Asia lows right here. 15-minute highs and lows right here. Let me mark it out for you guys. Oh shoot, my 15-minute high and my 15-minute low. All right, so this is my 15-minute high, 15-minute low, previous day highs, previous day lows all the way down here. We don't have no previous day highs really, but we're on the 15-minute chart. All right, so we had PPI today at 8:30, so it kind of gave the market a little bit of boost, which is why you see this candle right here. We had a nice up, well, not up. I mean, you just had a nice little candle, like it gave us like a doji-ish, yeah, 2 weeks top and bottom. But coming in, I really didn't have a bias. I didn't really have it. I wasn't really too bullish or bearish. I was just like, wherever price takes us is wherever we're gonna go. I was kind of skeptical on taking this trade, but I still took it. I'm gonna get into why I did take it. Why I was skeptical a little bit, but coming in, like I said, we got our 15-minute lows, 15-minute highs, 15-minute lows. And like I said, we don't really have much confluences today. Really is how simple you're about to hear it is literally how I took it. So we had a break of the 15-minute lows, right, at 9:15. Then we had a retest of the 15-minute lows, and then price then closed below our confirmation. Our confirmation is always the wick of the candle that closes below the 15-minute low or higher. But for the sake of this video, it's going to be the 15-minute low. So this candle is the one that broke the 15-minute low. Price then closed below the wick of that candle. So I entered in just off of that. But why I was a little skeptical is because we did have this oh my gosh, I need to move. But as you guys can see, we have a Ferrari. You know what? Actually, let me remove it. Yeah. Okay, so we have a Ferrari gap right here. So what I thought price was gonna do was gonna come down. Oh my gosh, I thought price was gonna come down. Thought price was gonna come down and then come back into this Ferrari gap and then move lower because it is XAU. We all know XAU is a very it just does a bunch of stuff. So, but it didn't do it and price is actually moving lower. So hopefully the people that are in my chat, in the group, are actually profiting big off this. But we're no longer in this, because have things to do today, and I'm recording this video very quick because I really don't have much time on my hands like that. So like I said, today was very simple, just a break and retest of a 15-minute low. That's literally it. Like that's literally all we had today, and we took it off of that. That just shows trading don't have to be always complicated. It don't always have to have a million different signals just to be like, okay, this trade can, you know what I'm saying? Like you don't need a million signals. You don't need a million confluences just to, you don't need the most complicated confluences just to, take a trade. Like it could be just a simple break and retest of a 15-minute low and you could profit off of it. You know what I'm saying? As long as it makes sense, it wasn't like gamble. It wasn't like we just entered into this trade just because, you know what I'm saying? We sat on our hands for 3 days. That should show you guys like discipline that we have and the discipline that I teach in my group. Like we sat on our hands for 3 days and then came back and, you know, smashed a nice 1-3. I mean, not 1-3, a nice 1-6, profited 1.7K. So just like that, like literally what somebody has to work, you know, what, like 2.5 weeks, right? Like, or three, no, 3 weeks just to make that. And we sat on our hands for 3 days. And then right today, we made exactly what somebody would have made their third week working. You know what I'm saying? Like, that just shows the power of trading as well. Like, you know, like you don't have to trade every day just to make money. You could trade one day and make someone's close to a whole month salary, but not salary, but paycheck. But you know, that's it for today. That's all I have for you guys. It really wasn't much confluences today. I kind of just talked a little bit through the video just to kind of make it longer, because if I would have just explained the trade, it wouldn't, this video would have been very, very short. But that's really all I had today. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and I will see you guys next time.